this is going to be the race of the century. A 2014 991 Turbo S convertible versus a BMW E30 325iX. So they're both four-wheel drive, and one is going to be faster than the other.
Okay, so what do you have here?
Four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
We will beat you. That's
Yeah.
it's not worth much, that piece of crap car.
No.
Okay, let's try it out.
Yeah.
997 Turbo S versus BMW 325iX. Four-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive.
Right, vi tar på engelska nu så du vet det.
Ja.
Right, now the old shit.
Yep.
What is this? It looks quite modest.
Yeah, it's BMW E30, four-wheel drive, BMW six-cylinder turbo engine. So it's kind of an odd combination with a four-wheel drive and a BMW.
Is this an old four-wheel drive? I mean, from the X-Drive, from the or what is it?
Yeah, it's kind of the second generation four-wheel drive from like mid-90s. So it's not the newest one.
Mid-90s, but the car is from the 80s.
Yeah, 89.
And a straight six with a turbo conversion from your side then.
Yeah, exactly.
And what have you done with the engine? I mean, apart from that.
It's fully built, forged pistons, rods, cams, springs, basically everything. So it's works pretty good.
And you built it yourself.
Yeah.
I just said that we have a mix here today, you know, with very expensive supercars and you guys with these things.
Yeah, some homemade stuff.
Somebody told me you have almost 1,000 horsepower in this one.
Yeah, at full boost it's 920 in the engine, 840 to our four wheels. So, but now it's maybe I have turned it down a little bit, so it's maybe 700 to the wheels today.
Yeah, only 700, right?
Yeah, only 700. If it's not enough, I raise it. So we'll see.
But is this four-wheel drive efficient then? I mean, if you turn it down, you have better traction with the four-wheel drive. What do you think?
The traction is pretty good, I say. Often at second gear I have traction, but at full boost it might not have traction at second gear, but at third and up it's no problem.
And the transmission, what sort of transmission do you have?
It's an old 5-speed manual gearbox, nothing fancy.
And it can handle these numbers?
Yeah, surprisingly. I thought I have to change it like every year or something, but I never had a problem with it. I have a problem with the shift linkage now, so I have to shift very slow, but the gearbox itself
BMW
haven't caused any
E30,
problems.
and I was sitting in a nice
This is going to be exciting to see
GT3
this car.
I hope so.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
And we're gonna drive from 50 kilometers per hour versus BMW 3 Series 325iX, I believe. It's from 50 kilometers per hour. And bara gasa. For a while. Fan vad det kommer alltså, helt sjukt. Vad var hastigheten? 270 något? 280?
Nej, jag kommer inte upp i det.
Ah, just det.
I däckstavarna brukar det vara 260 någonstans.
Ja, det är det. 260 and we did shit a little bit, but yeah, that was impressive. And it's no sound in it. No exhaust sound from the BMW. It's just silent. Crazy. Let's see. You can floor it. Ja, gasa då.
Jag råkar få i 5:an istället för 3:an och igen.
Men du vann i alla fall.
Ja, det var så.
Ja, det bara kommer eldsflammor. Ja, gasa då.